Today I will be teaching you how to solve for complex numbers, addition, subtraction, and multiplication. I'm going to teach you how to add complex numbers. For the first step, you drop the parentheses so there are no parentheses in the equation. For step 2, you are going to combine the like terms, such as the real numbers plus another real number, or the imaginary number plus imaginary number. Adding complex numbers is a simple process that only requires 2 steps. Now let's solve for this equation. We're going to drop the parentheses so it equals 24 plus 1i minus 3 minus 4i. Now that the parentheses are dropped, we are going to combine the like terms. So first we'll do real number with real number. So that'll be 24 minus 3, which equals 21. And now we do the imaginary numbers. 1i minus 4i equals negative 3i. And that'll give us 21 minus 3i, and that's how you solve addition complex numbers. Now I'm going to teach you subtracting complex numbers with 2 simple steps. Subtracting complex numbers is almost like adding complex numbers, but what you need to do is distribute the negative and then drop the parentheses. With addition, it was just dropping the parentheses. Here you need to contribute the negative. After adding the negative, which would make the 10 a negative and the 2 a positive, what you do is add the like terms. So the real number plus a real number and imaginary number plus imaginary number. Now let's put our skills to the test. We'll do this equation 17 plus 3i minus negative 3 plus I. Now we will use step 1 and distribute the negative to negative 3 and positive I, which will make negative 3 a positive and positive I a negative. Now we combine the like terms, which is 17 plus 3, which will equal 20, and 3 minus I, which will equal 2. So that'll give us the answer of 20 plus 2i. Now we will learn about multiplying complex numbers and how to solve that. Step 1 is to use FOIL or double distribution. And in this example, I will be using FOIL. With FOIL, you will combine 4, 2, 6, and 4 to negative 2i. Then you'll put 6i times 6, and then 6i times negative 2. By doing FOIL, it will give us 24 minus 8i plus 36i minus 12i squared. For I squared, you will plug in negative 1, and that will be negative 12i minus 1. After putting negative 12 times negative 1, you just combine the like terms. Now we're going to try this example. 5 minus 5i squared. We are going to use FOIL, so that'll be 5 times 5, and then 5 times negative 5i, and then we will do negative 5i times 5, and then negative 5i times negative 5i. That will give us the equation of 25 minus 25i minus 25i plus 25i squared. Now we plug in negative 1 to the I squared, and that'll give us negative 25. Now we combine the like terms, 25 minus 25, and then negative 25i minus 25i. That'll give us the answer of negative 50i. Let's review over addition. First, you drop the parentheses, and then second, you combine the like terms. Now for subtraction, you distribute the negative and then drop the parentheses. Step 2, you combine the like terms. For multiplication, you FOIL it or double distribution, and then second, you use negative 1 to put in for I squared. And that's how you solve for multiplication. Congratulations on learning how to solve for complex numbers. Congratulations.